Welcome everyone. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Mike, and I'm the Identities model. The photos you see of our products each week most often are taken with me wearing them, but apart from modeling, I occasionally narrate our weekly videos, especially when Jill is off doing something, and that's the case this week. I guess that's enough of an introduction. Let's get going. We start out with several embroidered polos for different customers. This one has the embroidered logo of the Brown Equipment Company. This company supplies equipment for water, sewer, and highway maintenance. Here is a polo with the Marquette Academy crest. RP Lumber's logo is embroidered over the heart, and this polo has the logo of jackpot slots. Here we embroidered NCAT's logo on a jacket. Central Canine Search and Rescue is a volunteer unit comprised of medics, firefighters, drone pilots, IT communication specialists, and, of course, highly skilled canines. They search for missing persons in north-central Illinois. Here is a polo embroidered with its logo, as well as the Vice President's name and title. A print patch was also made for them, and put on this hoodie. The back of the hoodie has big print letters that stand out in the field. You'll see here a T-shirt with the same patch over the heart, and the word cadet printed on the right side. And this here is a tee that, like the hoodie, has the large print of the organization's name on the back. Leon Builders has this long sleeve tee printed with its logo left front, and the American flag is on its left sleeve. The back of the tee has a larger version of the logo. Our last piece is this T-shirt for NCAT, with a large version of its logo across the front. I want to thank you all for being here today. We do appreciate you taking the time to see the projects that our customers bring us. And I always have fun being here with you. That's it for now, but we'll see you next time.